Hey, we're at Equip Expo 2023, checking out some of the cool things at the show. And that brought me over to SpliSeal. This is a way of connecting wires and to be able to make it a waterproof connection. And I've got Pierce here. Pierce, you've got the kits here to do this. Now, I kind of want you to kind of talk us through what's in a kit and then show us how to do it, if you would, please.
Gladly. Here we have our professional kit. It comes with 3 molds of your choice, which we have 2 different styles. A 1-to-1 and a 1-to-2 for splicing out. We have a hanger mold and a ring terminal. And that would be for grounding terminals if you want to fasten your splice.
Yeah, exactly. A variety of different needs, because when you're splicing, sometimes you are making a Y, or whatever. Or yeah, nice. So we got a variety of different. Now, show us how it's done. Now, this is just, you were using the little kind of a mold, and then what else? What have you got there?
So here we have our standard butt connector.
Yep.
You put it into our mold. You close it up, and you clamp it. Then you inject our sealant. "30 seconds later, you can pop it out, and this is your final product.
Completely sealed.
Completely sealed. Watertight, weatherproof, shockproof.
And really, so at this point, this could be even underground, I suppose.
Yeah, underground, underwater. You can a lot of value.
Yeah, absolutely. And as far as wire gauges, you had a variety of different gauges that were available?
Yeah. So we have, our biggest gauge is 10 gauge, but we can go all the way down to 22 gauge.
So very fine wire for some of that low voltage landscaping.
Yep.
Nice, nice. And then as far as the Sealant Sticks, now you have a multi-pack of it right there.
Yep. So this is our 25 pack. You can get about 10 to 12 uses out of a stick, and it's about 10 cents per molding.
So very, very effective and very inexpensive.
Yep.
Very nice. If people would like to find a spot to purchase, where can they go and check this out?
You can go onto SpliSeal.com. We can do all sorts of kits if you have some of this stuff, like if you already have a hot glue gun or crimpers, you can piece out what you want.
Yeah, and get what you need for your projects.
Yep.
Pierce, thanks you very much. We're going to put that link in the description below so you can check this out, but we are at Equip Expo 2023.